Now we will discuss what is the meaning of guarantee of minimum profit to a partner. Guarantee itself given by existing partner to any one existing partner regarding the profit. So here what the accounting treatment we have to make, then we will discuss the things in some specific examples also. So the guarantee of minimum profit to a partner. Here the first case. What is the first case? In case the actual share is less than the guaranteed amount. What is this condition? The guaranteed partner's share of profit is less than the actual share. Means in case the actual share is less than the guaranteed amount. For example, if we given a guarantee to be as a partner of profit rupee 50,000. Is it clear? But actual share of profit of B would be 40,000. Means we 101% assure B in any condition you would be entitled for 50,000 profit. But actually he earned a profit of 40,000. Means there would be a deficiency of rupee 10,000 which would be bear by the guaranteeing partners. So the case 1, in case the actual share is less than the guaranteed amount, we opt this particular steps. First condition, distributing the profit as if there is no guarantee arrangement. First we have to distribute that particular profit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to all partners' capital account in their existing ratio. Or in case of loss, profit will play the same thing of the guaranteed amount. In that particular condition, first the loss should be distributed. All partners' capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. When we make a adjustment of the deficiency like here 50 to 40, 10,000 rupees deficiency, B itself a guaranteed partner and A and B would be a guaranteeing partner. So we will do this entry on charging deficiency to guaranteeing partners capital account debit to guaranteed partners capital account. Case 2. In case actual share is more than the guaranteed amount, in this particular question we don't have any problem. The situation would be like this. If we given a guarantee to B is 50,000, 50,000 because we are discussing minimum profit of guarantee. We given guarantee to B for the rupee 50,000, but B get rupee 75,000. We don't have any problem. Even B would be entitled for at par 50,000. At that time also we don't have any problem. In that particular condition, no question mark for the guaranteed amount, because the guaranteed his or her share would be more than the guaranteed amount. In this particular situation, profit and loss appropriation account debit to all partners capital account, we do the entry in the existing ratio. But when we solve the questions of the guarantee, we have to keep some points in our mind. If we don't have any information regarding the profit sharing ratio, the profit sharing ratio would be the existing ratio which is given in our specific problem. Number 2, guarantee play a role in case of loss also. If the firm suppose suffer a loss, in that condition also, we have assured the guaranteed amount of profit to the guaranteed partner. So let it be, we will take one simple example. For your better understanding, let it be, I will take one example like this. Whatever we mention here, the things would be like this. Suppose A, B and C, they are partners. Is it clear? And for example, their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. A and C given a guarantee of profit to B for B 50,000. Is it clear? A, B, C are partners and guaranteed of minimum profit of B would be a 50,000. Is it clear? And the firm earn a profit duration of the year. Firm earn profit duration of the year. Firm earn profit. The profit would be rupee 90,000. This is the profit earned by the firm. Duration of the year would be a 90,000. Now, what the specific steps? First, we have to distribute that particular profit of rupee 90,000. So, what is the condition? A would be entitled for 90,000 and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So, it would be a 6. A would be entitled for 45,000. What is the share of B? B would be entitled 90,000 into 2/6. Is it clear? So it would be a 30,000. And what is the share of C? 90,000 into 1/6. 15,000. But A and C given a guarantee to B. Okay, every year your minimum share of profit would be a 50,000. And in case if any deficiency would be arises, A and C will bear himself. So what is the deficiency amount? B is getting 30,000 rupee, but the minimum guarantee of profit of B is 50,000. So the deficiency amount would be how much? 50 minus 30, 20,000. And that particular amount of 20,000 bear by A and C in the ratio of 3:1. This is an existing ratio. So the A will bear amount of deficiency 3/4, 15,000 by A and 20,000 into 1/4 by C. So that amount would be 5,000. So what we will do, we deduct 15,000 rupees from A share of profit, and we deduct 5,000 rupees from C profit. We mentioned this entry entry number B in case 1 on charging deficiency to the guaranteeing partner. We do the entry guaranteeing partner's capital account debit to guaranteed partner. We know it. Who are the guaranteeing partner? Guaranteeing partner A and C. So we have to write A capital account debit, C capital account debit. A capital account debited by 15,000, C capital account debited by 5,000 to guaranteed partner, who is a guaranteed partner, to B capital amount 20,000. So student, once again you have to keep in your mind, this topic is guarantee of minimum profit to partner. We have to keep 3 basic terms: guaranteeing partner, guaranteed partner, guaranteed amount, which we discussed in our audio. Go through that, then understand the concept. What is that? We are having 2 cases. Case 1 we discussed, in case the actual share is less than the guaranteed amount. So in case that particular actual share of B is 30,000 but the guaranteed amount is 50,000. So in that particular stream, what we have to do? First we do this step, because here is a profit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit by 90,000 to A to B to C, 45, 30, 50. Then we do the entry number 2, B1, on charging deficiency. What is a deficiency? Actual share difference of actual share and guaranteed amount is called the deficiency. Student, this is a theoretical part. It's a very important topic. In next class, we have to go ahead with the number of numerical questions in a category of guarantee of minimum profit to partners. Thank you.